Namaste, I am CA Praveen Kumar, Director of planetFINANCE Business School, High Tech City, Hyderabad. In the last 1.5 years, we are seeing so many IPOs coming into the market for raising the fund from the public. That is called primary market. So I have done the video on Hyundai Motors Corporation, and I have done the video on Adani, and I have done the video on other companies who are coming for IPO. But later I realized, if I am making the videos and people are watching, they will think I am knowledgeable. Of course, I am knowledgeable, but as a faculty, as a director, my objective is to make students knowledgeable. So it is not that I am knowledgeable, please come and join our B school. It is not like that. It is like, I will make you knowledgeable, you can join the PGDM with us and you will also become knowledgeable. That is the idea which you wanted to create among the public. So in the same plan, what I have done is, I made students to prepare the IPO report of each company so that they will be able to share their knowledge, how they are able to perform in front of camera and how they are able to share their knowledge with you will be helpful for the audience. Okay, as I told you, we get the students from many states. The reason is that we have the best quality. We have the best syllabus in the country, undoubtedly. This is the only reason why I was very much successful in my life. When I decided to go to my CA, after my 12th class in Nellore, I moved to Vijayawada. When I wanted to go to CA Inter, I moved to Chennai. When I wanted CA Final, I moved to Mumbai. When I got the job, I moved to Dubai. When I wanted to start career in teaching, I came back to Hyderabad for teaching. So if you want to be successful in life, the first step is you must be ready to go anywhere. The girl sitting with us is from northern part of UP, that is Sarahanpur, and she moved to Delhi for her graduation from Delhi University, and all the way she came back to first time to South India for planetFINANCE B School for pursuing her PGDM. So today we are with us Gayana Chuk from northern part of UP, and we welcome her, and all of you know Hyderabad is the most welcoming place for any person to stay here. You might be seeing so many people from outside states of Hyderabad comes and settles happily. So how are you feeling, Hyderabad?
It's good place, sir.
So what did you feel when you saw people speaking in Hindi in Hyderabad?
Hindi, like it was like very welcoming because a new place and there is a language barrier. Generally people speak Telugu, so it's like a bit overwhelming when I see people in...
You'll be surprised when my wife came to Hyderabad for first time. She is from Nagpur. She went to a shopping mall. They asked her, "Madam, क्या होना?" She was shocked. अरे हैदराबाद तेलुगु बात करता है ना, हिंदी भी बात कर रहा है क्या? अरे we speak Hindi also because that is our national language. We are open to speak because it is communicable for all other people. Like you go to Kerala, everybody speaks Hindi or English very well.
Yes.
So same way, the cities are more welcoming with the way people speaks their language. So definitely you will settle here only. Okay, this is a much better place in terms of cost of living and salaries and growth.
Yes, sir.
We made our politicians made the city like that. Okay, we should thank them.
Yes, sir.
So which company you are going to talk about today?
So today I will talk about Neelam Linens and Garments India Limited.
Fine. Where is the company located?
So its headquarters are in Mumbai, Maharashtra.
So can you tell about the company, what they do, which products they do? Will they sell in India or exports? Can you throw some light on us?
Yes.
Light on it?
Yeah. So this company is actually incorporated in 22 September 2010, and it is the lead manufacturer and exporter of home furnishing products like bed sheets, pillow covers and sheets, rugs, doors, all these things that we use in a day-to-day life in our homes. It's the biggest exporter of it. And so the domestic customers of this company are like Amazon, Meesho and Amazon stores. Vijay Sales are the main clients domestically. We also have international clients like it's 90 cents and Big Lots and Tuesday Morning. So these are some of the international clients. So it's not that they are selling products within India only, but globally also they have vast sales. And apart from that, they have also entered into men's and women's apparels really recently in 2023. So this is actually a fashion industry in which they have started selling their products more and more. So now they are into the apparels and the textile industry both, and doing the sales of these things like curtains and all which we use day to day in our lives.
So textile industry is basically driven with more number of people. So when quotas were removed in 2005 by USA, Bangladesh is very famous for having more population in terms of density. They have captured the boom in textile industry and able to export more goods. And because of that, the GDP has grown up drastically from 2005 to till date. So, if it comes to textile industry, it is a human resource driven oriented. How many employees working in this company?
So as of 15th May 2024, there are 58 employees currently in the company, out of which 8 are on payroll and 50 of them work on daily wages as per the needs of the company, and according to their work they hire them, and when the work is not there, so they just remove them and layoffs are there. So currently 8 people are there according to the payroll.
8 people.
Yeah, it's actually
something
yeah,
we need to worry about.
Yeah, it's actually a SME. It's actually listed on SME and
SME platform,
yeah,
which is very small. Like, I don't know how many of you are aware. Yamaha distributor with 5 employees got huge number of times was more than 400 times. 4,000 crore people have given the money for that IPO. So one must be careful about these kind of companies. What is the revenue of this company?
Recently the company has seen a decline in the revenue by 0.63%, but later on there was a increase in the profit after tax by 6.33%, which is actually a big thing for them because they have actually seen a decline from the past several years, and recently they have seen an upward trend, so it's actually a good thing for them. Apart from that, the return on equity is like 2.99% for the company, and the market capitalization is like 58.2.5 lakh crore.
What is the turnover of the company in the past 2 years?
So the inventory turnover ratio has actually seen decline only because sales have not been much, and like in the financial year 2024 the sales was around 103.24 crores, and in the financial year 2024 it's 102.3. So there has been a decline, and it's due to like inefficient inventory management that the sales has been decreasing day by day, and the company is not much in the good position right now.
Can you throw some details of the IPO and the timeline of the IPO?
Yes. So the Neelam Linens and Garments IPO is a book built issue with an issue size of rupees 13 crores, and the price band is at rupees 20 to 24 rupees. And other than that like the minimum amount of shares the minimum amount that we have to invest is 1,44,000.
Yeah, for SMEs the lot size is very high.
Yeah.
So basically the SEBI do not want individual investors to participate in the SME as they participate in the main board issue.
Yeah, so like a retail investor actually has to buy the 6,000 shares, which is one lot they have to buy to get into the investment of the IPO. Other than that, for HNIs is like it's twice of it. So for HNIs it's like 12,000 shares they have to buy, and the amount for it will be 2,88,000. And also the dates of the IPO are like it's getting open on 8th November and it will get closed on 12th November. Other than that, the allotment of shares will be finalized by 13th of November, and the refunds and the shares will be credited to the demat account by 14th of November. So it is actually seen that the listing price will be done on 18th of November 2024, that is Monday.
What is the difference between main board issue and SME listing? You will be shocked. Main board issue, the prospectus or adhering prospectus must be filed with the regulator SEBI. You can do SME listing without filing a prospectus with the SEBI. You can file the prospectus with the NSE, list in NSE. Go to BSE and file, list in BSE. So without SEBI approval, the IPOs can be done, that is called SME listing. Okay, one must be very careful about it because the trading volumes in the SME shares will be very lesser after the listing also. Okay, and many companies with a better track record will prefer to go to main board issue. The companies without the better track record will opt for SME listing because there is no involvement of SEBI at all. Okay, so be careful about it. Thank you very much, Gayana. And she is doing her first year with our P School, planetFINANCE Business School in PGDM, and she will be getting her first job by next year, June, July. Thank you very much. Bye bye.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.